Shandong Tiantai Beer Equipment Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer of beer brewing equipment and located in the famous industry city, Jinan City, capital of Shandong Province. Our team has many years' experience in brewery setup for brew pub, bar, restaurant, microbrewery, and regional brewery. We mainly deal with the manufacture and research of complete beer brewery system including miller, brew house, fermentation tank, bright beer tank, glycol cooling system, control system, beer filter, filler. We supply all-round service for your brewery, including drawing and layout design, customized equipment design, transportation, installation, and training. All details are taken the humanity and brewmaster's intention into consideration. Reliable quality is guaranteed by professional technical support, advanced processing equipment, strict quality control, and complete personnel training. Our equipment pass CE certificates for machinery, low voltage and pressure equipment. Our management is confirmed to ISO 9001. We are also granted with a manufacturing license for pressure equipment and certificate for high-tech enterprise. So far, we have set up more than 500 projects and exported to 86 countries, including USA, Canada, Korea, Japan, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, England, Belgium, Finland, Netherlands, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Sweden, South Africa, Singapore, Mexico, Argentina. Insisting the idea that craft beer brewing should be in popular style, we keep our system affordable, trying to help more brewmasters to approach their dream. Tiantai, your honest brewery builder.